Hey guys, welcome back. It is the 12th day of Christmas. It is January 5th, 2023. And FedEx brought me this when I came home from work today. It is the Advent from rebelinkco, and it's finally here despite all the postal strikes and whatnot. It's here, and I'm just so excited. And thank you so much, Carrie, because you went like above and beyond. You reopened the Advent for a whole bunch of people who didn't know anything about it until we saw Becky's video. So yeah, this is awesome, and this box is huge. So all right, so I'm gonna get everything out of this box, and then we're gonna have a lot of fun because this is the only Advent this year that we get to open the whole thing at once. Guess Vlogmas wasn't over after all. One final video. I'll be right back. Okay, so can we talk about the awesomeness of this box? Oh my goodness, this is so cool. So it's magnetic, which is awesome because I can keep it to store things, and you guys know I love to do that. And this is like shiny happy dreams right here. Okay, let's see now. Have we got... Okay. Yes. Okay. I'm trying to make sure. I'm filming this on my phone, so it will cut an hour off the time it takes for me to turn this around for you guys. Okay, so there's I already took off of here 2 big envelopes, the 12th and the 6th, and then one over here that says a New Year's gift for you. So the gift we're gonna open last. Look at all this. Oh my god. And like my name is on like everything. Sticker Advent. White numbers start here. Okay. Sticker Advent. Cool stuff Advent. Hobo numbers start here. Huh? What does that say? Hollow numbers start here. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Alright. So these have like stars. I don't know if it's showing up for you guys or not. This sticker paper has like stars or circles or something. It's got one of those overlay things in it. And these are straight up hollow. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then, oh, this is huge. I did not clean off enough space on the table for this. Oh my. Okay. Move my battery pack because I obviously don't need that right now. Well, I got nowhere I can move it. Let's hope we don't blow up the house when we chuck this into this box. Alright, we're still here. We're still alive. Everything's good. Okay, so we'll put this one over here. What? Oh my goodness. Alright, so the best part is I don't remember a thing about Becky's video other than I absolutely loved the Advent. That's all I remember. So this is gonna be like total surprise, which is great. Okay. Alright, I've got everything out, right? Okay, so we're gonna move the box because it takes up a lot of space. And because it doesn't play nice with the ring lights. Careful with that, I love it. Okay. Alright, 21, 24, 17, 13, and I'm not sure which... Alright, so these are hollow. No overlay. Okay. So these are the ones with the overlay. Alright, so this stuff all goes with that one. So we're going to do this one first. Look at this. And this is just the start of it. Oh my god. Okay. Number 1. Get the stickers. They're so cute. This is like a little journaling kit, which would explain why it says journaling on there. That's so cute. Maybe I need to bring you guys down some more. Alright, yeah, that might be better. I think. Okay, it should be better. That's so cute. This is a really cool woman. Carrie owns this company and makes this stuff, and she's just awesome. So I highly suggest checking them out, and I'll put a link in the description. Okay, we got one envelope open. On to number 2. See hollow. Oh, look how cute. Oops. Why did I stick to it? That's so cute. And it's hollow. Look at the planner cart. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Okay. Let's see my planner stuff. These are really cute. Look at that. The computer screen says smile. The bowl of cereal. This is awesome. Smiling coffee. I love it. That's really cool. Put the sticker on top of the envelope so we don't ruin it. Number 4. I stuck to it again. I must have sticky on me. Dream plan do. If my planner is open, your mouth should be shut. Planning is my therapy. And shiny overlay. I think this light is down too low. I was afraid of the phone casting a shadow. I can't tell if it is or not. I hope it's not. But the light might be problematic. Let me know if I just made an error in moving that back a little. Okay. 5. See functionals. Ooh. It's a whole sheet of rainbow shapes. Swishies and circles. And oh, I like all of these. I like all of these. They're gonna look awesome with like days of the week and stuff on them. Ooh, bullets and little flags. These are cute. That one can fit back in there. Okay. I just don't want them to stick to the number stickers because then I'll get upset that I ruined them. Currently, I see currently. A whole sheet of like currently stuff. Not really, no. These are currently things, which is cool because I need those. Work stickers, trash day, can't get enough of those. Currently listening, so there is stuff on here. Currently reading, pay bills, coffee time, happy mail, recycling day, family time. These are cool. You see, now I feel like it's not bright enough and you guys can't see anything. I'm not sure what's better. Let's try that. Is that better? So my problem is I have all the lights in my face, so I can't tell. Oh man, okay. Ooh, die cut stickers. I love die cut stickers, as you guys will know. And they're hollow. Look at these. A little plant. There's that smiling coffee mug. Donuts. That pen pouch. And a planner. Do I have it upside down? No, I don't think so. I don't know. It's cute in either direction. Highlighters. Planner card. I love planner card stickers. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just love them. Those are so cute. Yeah, right here. Okay. Yeah, I definitely got something sticky on me. I don't know what. All right. Date dots in the rainbow. This is awesome. I have to redate. Well, not redate. I have to date my entire budget planner. So this is fantastic. I didn't film that video yet, so spoiler alert. And days of the week. I have not seen a single thing yet that I would not use. Oh, these are cute. Hold section 1 and stick it to the back of section 2. This section sticks to your page. Oh. No way. Alright, we're doing this right now. Sort of. Okay. So, hold section 1 and stick it to the back of section 2. Alright. Now, folding this part. This is where things get dangerous for me. Although I do have a lifetime supply of undo, so I could fix any boo-boos, really. Can't seem to fold it straight. Is that really a surprise to anyone with all my... Alright, so I'll fix this later, but basically the idea, I do believe, is that this is the front of your planner, and then you can flip it open, like, in your planner. Like, how cute is that? So, I will fix this later, because I don't want to destroy it, because there are only 3. Oh man, that is so cool! Alright, you stick back down, and we'll figure out how to work you later. Oh dear. Alright. Okay, you're gonna go over here where you can't get damaged. I will be able to fix that, it's okay. Hollow letters that are stuck to the envelope. I don't think that was supposed to happen. Aren't those pretty? Oh my goodness. They're very sticky on the back though, so I'm just gonna lay them there. Let them stick to the envelope. Okay. You guys know I'm gonna undo like these numbers, right? These are awesome. Yay! Bullet journal. I need these. That's awesome. I think I ripped a number or two, but for the most part, they're okay. Tabs. Sticky tabs. In hollow. Look at how cool! So you've got months, and then you've got blank ones. I wonder what you write on these with. Probably like Sharpie or wet erase. Because that's not coming off. Cool. I love those. Oops. Go back in your envelope. Okay. And I didn't comment on it, but I think it's cool how there's like one big envelope and then one smaller envelope, and they just keep alternating. Washi! Look at that. That's cool. I like these. They're pretty. Okay, ooh, I see more hollow. No bad days. Look on the bright side. That's cool. And they're shiny. Oh my god. We got through 16 already. This would have been a lot of fun to open like every day of Vlogmas, so we're just gonna have to make sure we get our hands on it on time next year. Assuming she does this again. Months. All the stuff that I need for the bullet journals and dating the planner. This is awesome. See, and as soon as I say something about them alternating, now they don't. I see more hollow. If found, please contact be a rainbow amongst the clouds. I love that. That's cool. We get the rainbow here. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Oh, wait, this one's got two. Watercolor circles and watercolor squares. How cute! I love this kind of stuff. This is awesome. Ooh, more days of the week. Ooh, more days of the week. Look how cute. These are all the blues, so the other one was like that red. Oh, wait, nope. I hope there wasn't two in the other one and I didn't notice. They're awesome. Awesome. Okay. 21. Doodle boxes. I love these. They are so much fun. Hollow. Ooh, 2023s. That's cool. It's like 3 different fonts too. That's really neat. Or 4 different fonts. I think it was 4. I see donuts and planners again. Ooh. So wait, so this is like one big... Wow. It's okay, so this is like the floral borders and stuff, except it's all the planner stuff and the cereal and the succulents and the mugs, and that's so cool. Oh my god. No bad days again. I like that. Look at that. And there's like this tall cup of pens. It's just like the pen advent that we opened during Vlogmas. How cute. Okay, 24. It's got my name on it. No way. My name on stickers. Cool. Oh, that's cool. Get all these different fonts, and they're hollow, and there's like 2 giant P's for monograms. Oh, that's so cool. That's awesome. This is like an overwhelming amount of stuff. This is cool. Okay, so that was the 24 days with the shiny hollow overlay stickers. I'm gonna put them over here and hope that they're okay. Alright. Okay, now we've got these. Let's see what we got. Ooh, a washi card with my name on it. And really cool backing paper too, I think. Oh, that's cool. On here with a glue dot, which I can undo off, because that goes with everything. Planning is my therapy, and then it's got my name on the other side. That's really cool. Alright, so now we're gonna have to stack things on this side, because we have stuff over there. Alright, 2, and it says journaling. And it is, in fact, a journaling set. How cute. Oh, I love the purple chair. I need one of those. That's cool. Oh, that's cool. Oh, a slinky. I haven't seen one of those in a long time. That's so cool. I really like those. Okay, okay. This one's thick. Ooh, Ooh, floating tabs. Floating tabs. Low-tack tabs that can be moved around your planner to wherever you need them. Gentle on your pages and long-lasting that can be reused month on month to highlight your most used pages all year round. Look how cute! Highlighters. Oh, and they've got the shimmer and the flowers and the bows, and they have that shimmer overlay. That's so cool. More hollow. Oh, perfect. I haven't told you guys my word of the year yet because I'm still filming the videos. I'm a little behind. That's cool. And prompts if you don't have your own word yet. That's neat. Oh, come on, go back in there. There we go. Ooh, more circles. We get squares? We got squares. They're so cute. Planner cards. Oh, the purple chair is back. And we've got another like big scene sticker down here. Look at that. That's cool. We got bookshelves. That's a good idea. I should do something like that to hang up all my stuff. I love this chair. I'm obsessed with it now. Ooh. Wait. There's two things here. Okay. Alright, so we've got white numbers for dates. So we got 1, 2, 3. We got 4 sets of days for an entire month. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of days in different. Wow. That's really cool. I like those a lot. Alright, this one. Whoa. It's trying to jump out of its envelope. I see why. Get this. Look at this. This week, it's got room for 3 goals, 3 habit trackers, and then you could, this would be great to like write down stuff for the week, like before the week, or punch it in. There's room to punch it in. Yeah, there's enough space there. We could punch that in. That's so cool. And there's a lot of it. That's awesome. And you got the little sticker on the back. I love it. That's so cool. Swishies. I see swishies. So pretty. So pretty. Oh. Oh, that's cool. So they're like individual long stickers that you can just plop in wherever you want. Like dividers or accents or something. That's cool. Wait a minute. That was 11. Okay, so we need something from over here. 1, 2, 4, 12. Oh, we skipped another one. There was a 6, and I missed it. You guys are supposed to yell at me when I miss things. Alright, so let's open the 6 first since we missed that. Ooh. Hello. Look at that. I love how every single thing in here matches too. This is awesome. That. Oh, that's neat. Got the stars in there. Oops, hitting the lights. That one's cool too. And here's that rainbow leopard pattern. That looks really cool. What is this one? You guys know I'm bad with the animal prints, but it looks good. Stripes. And that really cool pattern. That is awesome. That's a lot of paper. Okay, now we can pick up where we were with number 12. More paper. Vellum. I think this is vellum. I'm getting black all over me. It's all vellum. Look at this. And it's the same exact stuff too. So we've got the swooshy pattern. Let me see, I've got some printables over here. So I could turn one over and you can see the vellum. Well, this is bigger than an 8.5 by 11. What is this? A4? Like it's longer, but it's not quite as wide. And there is that awesome rainbow leopard. I love that. And here's the stripe. Look how cool. There we go. It's like a galaxy. It's got the little sparkle stars through it. I love that. That is awesome. Awesome. I have so much fun with this. Okay, we're gonna put this back. And leave that sticker there. Okay. Oh, nope. Okay. So now we get to open the mystery box that has my name on it. But I'm gonna save the horrible ripping of the paper, but I'll make sure I save the number sticker though. Yeah, not that there aren't already enough stickers in here, but you know, these numbers are cool. We're going to salvage every single one that we possibly can. Okay. That definitely needs to go in the trash. Okay, we'll keep the 13 over here. What is this? Now. Dude. Now I remember this. Oh, man. This is awesome. Okay. We have a mug. Pam's best pens. Hands off. Yes, I do need them all. No, you can't just borrow one. Yes, I will know if any are missing. Walk away. It's on both sides. Oh, my goodness. That is awesome. That is really awesome. I love this. That is so cool. Oh, my God. We gotta keep moving along because there's so much stuff. Look. How cute. Boxes and scraps. Oh, that's a good name for all that stuff. I like that. Look how cute these are. The purple chair is back. The cart. Oh my goodness. Move the mug box. I'll put it over there with the battery pack. This one's got my name on it again. Oh my God. Carrie, what did you do? Pam's on the go mini sticker stash. Okay, so obviously this is going to go wild. Oh my God. Alright, we're gonna have to get the glue dot off. That is so cool, and it sparkles. And it's one of those little envelopes that I like to stick stuff in. Oh, that's fantastic. That is fantastic. That is so cute. Well, that chair is cool too. But this one is my favorite, definitely. The purple one is my favorite. That's so cool. I almost got a Cricut that color, but mine's like the champagne color. Paint swatches, we used to use those in scrapbooking. years ago. They are good for colors, though. I like matching them up. We got more circles and more squares. And these have the stars in them. The others might have too, and I didn't notice. I honestly don't know. I don't remember. They're so cute. Alright. What did I jump? I jumped from 16 to 18. 17 is right here, and it is begging to get out of its envelope. No. Oh. Oh my. Okay. You guys know I love these things. It's got my name on it. That is so cool. I'm going to fill it up with all the stickers from this advent that fit in here. Every single one. Oh, wow. I love this. That's so cool. It says it like on both sides, too. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. 18 is... No, we opened 18. Alright, we did open 18, so we're on 19. Oh my god! Look at this keychain. Or charm? Keyring. Look how cute that is. I swear, when anybody who's coming to Go Wild, when you hear somebody's backpack jingling from like a mile away, it will most likely be me, because I have so many planner keychains and stuff I've been collecting that are going to be hanging off this thing, and this is definitely going on there. Oh, that is just so cool. Carrie, you do not disappoint at all. This is just like amazing. You're completely blowing my mind. Giant months, yay. Okay, that was 20. This is 21, which is also a big one. More sticker storage. Oh my goodness. Kit of the week and all the other stuff I need to make amazing spreads. Ah, your new personalized washi card can live here. Things you can keep in here: your kit of the week, rolls of washi, die cuts and ephemera, icons and scripts, functional stickers, a snack, whatever you need to make amazing spreads like a pro, and boom, a tidy workspace. You're welcome. Oh my god. I knew this would be fun. I did not expect it to be this fun, but I knew it would be fun. But this is like crazy fun. Look at this. Oh, come on, Glue Dot. Be nice. Nope. You're going to make me get out all the undo. Okay. So we've got our sparkly overlay. And then this little slot back here where we can put the washi card. That's cool. Sorry about hitting the phone, camera, whichever. The thing. Oh my god. More letters. These aren't hollow though. These are normal. With that star pattern. Look how pretty. Okay. What number were you? 22. Okay. Let me make sure we're not missing things again. More of these currently stickers. I love these. That's a really good sheet of stickers. Like a seriously good sheet of stickers. Okay. 24. Which also wants to hop out, right? We're on 24. Yes, I'm not missing anything else. Nope, this is it. 24. Oh my god. Oh my god. I remember this now. I remember Becky freaking out over this too. Oh my god. And it comes with the little hanger too. Pam's planner space. If my planner is open, your mouth should be shut. Oh, I love this. And it's metal. This is fantastic. This is absolutely fantastic. Look at this. And there's my name again. Wow. Planning is my therapy. Look on the bright side. Look at the cool bow with that leopard print rainbow. Oh my. I love this. This is awesome. This is absolutely awesome. Okay. So the last thing is this. A New Year gift for you. Now this was on top of the box when I opened it, so I've been curious about what is this the whole time. Look. It's a whole month. Oh, guys, I could use this for my social media calendar. This can be my social media calendar before I like screw up the planner. I can put it all on here. That's awesome. Look how thick that is. Oh my god, this is great. I love this. Wow. And there's more than 12 here. Like, this will last. This is fantastic. Well, no, it won't. Yes, it will. 1 month. Wow. Oh my god. That's so cool. Look how cool. Let's move stuff out of the way. I love this. I absolutely love this. I love it all. Everything. This is amazing. Carrie, you are amazing. Anna, I love you. I do. But this wins. Rebel Inc. wins. Carrie wins. This is the best advent of the year. 100%. Absolutely. This is the best. And we opened a lot of advents this year. Yeah. Wow. Thank you, Carrie, for reopening this for all of us. This is just awesome. I will definitely be getting this again next year. Let's hope the postal system isn't striking next Christmas. Okay, alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Rebel Inc. I will leave their link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos like this one, and I have all the cool 2023 stuff coming up. I'm filming like crazy. Just gotta edit it is the problem. So and this has to go out today. Just has to. So yeah,